But Run Rock,
Rhyme,
Humpty,
Dumpty,
fell
down,
that's his art.
time,
Jackie,
nimble,
what?
nimble.
Hey Pasture, I'm Asher. And I'm Erica. And this is Pasture's Loudest Bird Podcast. I'm a ghost! Here, what's that? There. Do it again. Hold on. Wait. I lost it. Go, just Ready? This is Steve Ryan. Number one.
To my daddy, say, send your AC till you're down on it, and it's sure to be changing ways. The big cheerleader, that's a real big leader, of times like a reminisce. And the best thing, love it, was your sister and your cousin, and it started with a little kiss like this.
Now part 2 of the burpee contest is the fart imitation contest.
I got chili for lunch.
Mushroom. Oh, the juicy one. Yeah. Go when you're ready. That was weak. Go.
No, grande coquille.
Cheetahs.
He's all listening to this.
Do this, girl. Go. Go.
Come on, Simo. Do it, Simo. Alright, you suck, Taylor. Come on, Erica.
Are we gonna do it together?
Ready? Go. Ow! I think I did something to my side.
And Portia wins.